Hello friends, peace be upon you. Guys, we will not use Photoshop's 3D option to give 3D effect on text. We have applied some filters to the 3D text effect in front of you. It's a tip, or trick. So let's start the video, and see which trick it is. First, you have to open a new document in Photoshop. You can choose custom width and height. The resolution can also be customized. In custom we will choose black color and create it. Above this black background, we write a text. The text is black so we don't see it. We'll set its brightness to 50%. Set the text size to 250 point. Select the background layer, and press Ctrl+A to select it. And we'll align the text, horizontally and vertically. Press Ctrl+D to deselect. Press Ctrl+J to create duplicate layer of text. Hide above layer, and merge below layer with background. Now, here the trick starts. Go to Filter, Distort, then hit Polar Coordinates. Select Polar to Rectangular, then hit OK. Now go to Image Rotation, then click 90° clockwise. Again go to Filter, Stylize, and click on Wind. Select Direction from the left and Method is Wind, then hit OK. Apply this filter multiple times by pressing Ctrl+Alt+F. Apply until the edges are smooth. Next is to reverse what we processed. This time, the rotation of the image will be counterclockwise. Now, open the Polar Coordinates again. This time select Rectangular to Polar, then hit OK. And, in this way the 3D effect will be created. Create hue and saturation layer, if want to colorize it. Check Colorize box. So, the color has changed on the 3D effect. Suppose we want to keep its color brown. Set the saturation amount to 50. Similarly, select the color of the text, and make it a little darker. The background is black, and if we want to match background color with 3D color, and same color should be given to background. So, create a duplicate layer of background. Change its blend mode to overlay. Select an active layer for hue and saturation. If the lightness is +20, so you will see the effect of the same color on the background. If we open the blending options of the text, apply bevel and emboss, texture, and drop shadow. Keep light direction up in bevel and emboss. Keep same brown color in highlight mode. That is, the color of the highlight mode that is displayed on the text. Have the same brown color in highlight mode. You can change its color up from here, and can also change the color of such text. But this is the effect of 3D. If you want to apply any texture on it, so select and activate the copy of background layer. Choose Pattern Overlay from FX icon. So, this pattern will be applied to the 3D effect. You can adjust its scale as you like. And, if you want to increase or decrease the depth of this 3D effect, create a black solid color layer. If you set its opacity to 0, it will be filled. As you increase the opacity, the depth will decrease. At 100% it will disappear completely. So you can increase or decrease depth by increasing or decreasing opacity. Set opacity to 0, or don't want to apply texture. It depends on you. You can experience it yourself, and I hope you will like this video. Now, if you want to change its color up to blue, so the background will also be blue with 3D effect. Now just change the text color, and we change color of text. But we have to change highlight mode color in bevel and emboss. If you enable satin, the text will be more enhanced. And as you increase its lightness. So, from here you can increase or decrease the light. You can adjust it as per your wish. If you like the video, please like and subscribe. And thanks for watching.